Hey everyone, you are in for a treat today. I'm going to show you how you can make your feet feel amazing in less than 5 minutes with one of my favorite tricks. And before I dive in, for those who don't know me, my name is Mike Clancy. I'm a personal trainer, fitness leader at my studio, Dynamite Fitness. And I offer small group personal training to complement my weight management program, which is a holistic approach to inspire everyday people to achieve optimal health and fitness while preventing injury. So let's get to it. When your feet feel better, everything in your whole body seems to feel and move better. So you're going to love this so much that you may actually get a little addicted to it. Here's something to think about. You know, your feet work really hard for you every day, and we tend to take them for granted. If your feet aren't moving freely and flexibly, that can set off a chain reaction that travels right up your entire body. So this mini foot routine can be done at any time of the day, after your workout or whenever you have a few minutes to spare, even while you're watching TV or at the office at work. All you need is a golf ball. You can even use a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball. I've got this little sea urchin, which is another option. And now this works best if you do it on the floor that isn't too slippery, like on a rug or an exercise or a yoga mat. Also, if you have balance issues and you may find it hard to stand on one foot, you might want to do this standing next to a wall or even sitting on a chair. Okay, so here's how it works. What you're going to do is put the ball just under the heel of your foot. Stand up or sit straight up and gently place the heel of your foot actually on top of the ball. Okay? Now roll the ball through the arch towards the front of your foot, the ball of your foot. Just roll it around in that area until you feel a bit of tender area or a spot that feels a little uncomfortable. You can go from side to side, front to back, or in middle circles. But when you find that spot that feels tight or tender, pause on that spot and adjust the pressure as necessary. You'll want to wait until a tender spot relaxes and loosens up a bit. You can also try gently rolling back and forth over it, that one spot, to help break up any adhesions and tightness. Now you can hold for a few seconds or up to a minute if you can tolerate it. When you're done with one foot, switch over to the other foot and repeat. And voila, you're done. That's it. Your feet should feel both relaxed and energized at the same time. Now if you run, if you wear heels or walk or stand a lot for work, you might be amazed at how just a few minutes can change how you feel. So try doing this little routine regularly and you'll notice that those tender spots aren't so tender anymore. And you might even notice changes in how your body moves and feels in general. So if you're up to giving this a try today or in the next couple of days, you let me know below in a comment, okay? And if you want even more help with mobility and recovery, make sure you check out my foam roller resource. And there's no charge for it right now, so take advantage of the free link. I put it in the comment section for you. They're taking just a few minutes to tune into your body, and how it's feeling can make a big difference in the long run. So if you like this video, please give me a like or a heart and let me know, okay? I always love to hear your feedback or to read your feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.